In addition to being at war with the governments of all three nations, this terrorist group has also declared war on the United States. They've collapsed our communications grid, taken our satellites offline, and deployed WMDs in several American cities. Our nation's entire defense apparatus has been castrated, and there are enemy troops on our soil. Before the military network went down, we intercepted KPR chatter that can help us identify their next target. Get to the NSA building and recover the hard drive with that intel. Corporal James Walker and Anvil 1 are deployed in Los Angeles via helo insertion. The team is ordered to infiltrate the National Security Agency building, neutralize all hostiles, secure valuable intel, and then move towards the extraction point.
Why is the hard drive encrypted?
Automatic security protocol in case of attack. Figure we gank the drive, get it to the analysts, and then they figure out what the next target is.
Any word on the rest of the country?
Nothing official. Word is we lost contact with Chicago. Someone said there was a suitcase too.
Look at that! We gotta stop them before they hit another one of our cities!
Approaching LZ.
Taking some heat!
KPR soldiers on the rooftop. Take them out.
Acknowledge! Rooftop is secure! Get us to the LZ!
Roger that. Stay frosty.
Let's move! To the server room. Could use some support.
Copy that. Open sesame.
The entrance is clear. Move, move.
Go, go. Holy shit!
We'll take Overwatch. Get that intel.
The objective is in sight! What the?
If you can't pull the drive, then just download the data. Hurry!
We're taking fire! Keep your head down!
Oh! I'm switching mags!
Turner, this is Kelly. We have the intel.
Copy that. Proceed to extraction.
They had no idea who they were fucking with.
True.
What the? Walker, you hit? Get out of the building. Head for the lobby. KPR soldiers are in the main hall. We have them on the suppressing fire. He's taking cover! Fight him! Damn! Hostile, up front! What the? That's the kill! Cover me, I'm reloading! Get behind cover! KPR soldiers are in the main hall. We have them on the suppressing fire. Holy shit! Jimmy's suppressing fire! No! Contact ahead of you! Damn! Another one down! Area is clear! Walker! He needs immediate evacuation! Walker, respond! Requesting assistance!
Walker! Lucky bastard. Is the intel secure? Good. We need to get out of here. Let's go.
Amber 1, hostiles headed your way. Airstrike inbound. He's taking cover. No clear shot. Kill confirmed. Bitch. o'clock. I need suppressing fire. That's a kill. Crap! I got a casualty! Give me some cover fire! Need cover! Change your magazine! Copy that! Flag out! That's a kill! Tango spotted, 12 o'clock. Tango, up front. I need cover fire. Good shot. Crap. Private Torres. Carajo! I've got one wounded. Requesting support in medevac.
Torres.
Captain, we're in the shit. Got hostiles up on that overpass, and there's enemy armor underneath. Fucking understand.
Walker, if we take down that overpass, we might make it. Grab that RPG and shoot the pillar.
Takedown confirmed. Shit, Tommy!
It's locked on those pillars, so all you have to do is point and shoot.
Enemy 12 o'clock.
Medevac's on its way, but we have to move on.
Oh, thanks for the backup.
Vaya con Dios, guys.
Shit, we got incoming hostiles. Get in that building. Time to call a helo for evac. HQ needs this intel. Let's move to the rooftop. Move! Come on, Walker. This area's too hot. Gotta find another way out.
Hostile at 12 o'clock. Hostile down. Well done.
Move into the theater! Let's go! Move it! This way! Get to the main entrance!
Come on.
Kilo 5, this is Anvil 1. We need immediate extraction!
Copy that, Anvil 1. What's your location?
Pinned down at the theater.
Negative, Anvil 1. Area's too hot. Hilo can't make the landing.
Listen carefully. We have mission-critical intel, and we need immediate evacuation! Make it happen!
Understood, Anvil 1, but you'll need to clear the LZ.
Copy that. Okay, people, sweep the area. This is now the extraction zone. Reaching clear. On my signal. 3, 2, 1.
Contact, 12 o'clock!
And place weapons! Take cover!
Give me some cover fire! Cover me! Switch your magazine! Take down. Good shot. Tango spotted, 12 o'clock. Crap.
We need to flank that damn turret!
Sir, we can take out the
Tango,
Get
what's
some
right?
C4 on this wall!
Bitch.
Walker, demo that fucking wall!
Contact, 2
Move
o'clock.
in! Walker, get on that weapon and please!
Sweet! Move them out so we can get the hell out of here!
Kill confirmed. Damn it! Take cover! Another one down.
Walker, watch it! Targeting enemy helo!
Son of a bitch! Pick up that RPG and take out that helo! Hostiles inbound! Hold position! Kilo 5, we are surrounded and running low on ammunition. Requesting immediate
Roger, Anvil
airstrike.
1. Hold position. Hawk 2 is inbound.
Enemy armor spotted! Watch it! Damn it! Hawk 2, what is your status? We need air support now!
Anvil 1. Hawk 2 is inbound. Alpha 6, Hawk 2. LZ is clear. Proceed with extraction. Roger, Hawk 2. Sending evac.
Made it!
Package acquired.